Let's learn how to restore a branch that you may have accidentally deleted on GitHub. There are a few different ways to actually restore a branch, so let's get to them. First, let's go to our branches page to view all of our branches. To do that, we can click on this drop down, which has our active branch in it, and then click on View All Branches, or we can just click on this Branches button. Here we can see all of our branches, and you'll notice I have a branch here called Some Branch. Now, the first option to restore is right after you delete one of these branches. If you click on the trash can button to delete, you'll notice another icon comes up and it says Restore. And all we have to do is click it, and it will automatically restore. Now, if we delete and then refresh the page, we no longer have that button anymore. In fact, we don't even have the branch visible anymore. So we have to find another way to actually restore that branch. To do that, we need to be in the main repository page. And then over here on the right, we can click on Activity. From here, this shows all of the activity in the repository. But what we want to do is we want to filter down just to the branch deletions. If we click on this All Activity dropdown, we can then go to Branch Deletions, and it shows all of our branch deletions that we've made. Here you can see that I've deleted this branch, Some Branch. What I want to do is restore this branch or revert this change. So if we click on these three dots over to the right, we can click on Restore Branch, and now our branch has been restored. If we go back to the All Branches page, we can see that Some Branch has been restored back to what it was before we deleted it. Now, another way that we can restore a branch is actually through a pull request. However, this method only works if you've opened a pull request for a particular branch. So if we go to our pull requests, you can see that none are currently open, but one is closed. If we look at the closed branch, we can click on it. And then now we can see that we actually have an option down here to restore the branch that was closed via this pull request. You can see that the branch was deleted, and that's why the pull request ended. But what we can do is just click this button, and it automatically restores the branch for us so we can make more changes in the future. Now, even though we restored that branch through the pull request, it doesn't reopen the pull request. So if we needed to, we would have to go and create a new pull request from that branch in order to merge the changes into the default branch. And those are a few ways that you can restore a deleted branch inside of GitHub.